Hi ladies, this is going to be my fifth reveal on my nature swap that I done, and I'm going to show you who I don't have yet. I don't have Blue Moon Nails 1, but I've talked to her. Fran 94 2012, I spoke to her. My Glitz Nails, I haven't heard anything from her. And them are the only three that I'm still waiting on. Everybody else I've received. I've got Lori Townley, Shelly B, 76 Celsius Moon, sensuousone, Deb Hart, Latina Nails, A Goats, 3140 Baby Girl, Randy and Gloria Rodriguez, Mitchie Loves Art 36, Lee Baby 2000, that one that I don't know how to pronounce, Amanda Perez, Liz 13 Mars, Lakeisha Munzo, Nails by Brandy, and this one, I didn't ever see her sign up, but I received one from her today. Zoe Nails by Lucy's, or something like that. But anyways, I got in 4 swaps today, and my first swap that I'm going to do is from sensuousone. It says, "Hey Melissa, thanks for hosting the swap. Hope you enjoy the mix. I have included for you, have a glitter day. sensuousone." And these are her mixes. I went ahead and took them off the paper because I didn't want to fumble with them. And her first one is called Spring Bling. And this is a chunky mix, and it's very pretty. It's a pink, and all different kind of colors in it. And then for her nail art, she's got butterflies, ladybugs, flowers. For her second one, it's Fun and the Sun, and this is a yellow mix, glitter mix. Very pretty. And her nail art are these sequins flowers. Her next one is called Sun-Kissed Orange, and this is an orange mixture. Very pretty. It's got some bronze colors in it. And for the nail art, she sent these flowers. The next one is called Grassy Green. And this is a green mixture. It's got dots and green tinsel and green squares. And for the nail art, she sent were these flowers. Her next one is called Panda Express, and this is a green and silver mix. Very pretty. And her nail art, I just love. They're pandas, and there's leaves, and there's some diamonds in there. And then the one she sent for me is the Spring Bling. I love this. And then it's just a mix of flowers and different kind of emos. So thank you for that. And thanks for getting your swap in. The next one I received was from Randy and Gloria. And it says, "Melissa, thank you, Melissa, for letting me join your swap. I enjoyed you ladies. I hope you ladies enjoy my glitter mixes." Little Care Bear and Tigger. And I went ahead and took her mixtures off. And her first one is called Beautiful Nature. And this is a gold mixture. It's a fine glitter. And the nail art with that are these little stickers. Our next one is Diamond Dust. This is a silver mixture. Very pretty. The nail art with that are these rhinestones and stickers. The next one is called Blue Lagoon, and this is a blue mixture. Very pretty. And the nail art with that is this blue mylar. Then her next one is called Tree Hugger, and this is a green mixture. Very pretty. And then she sent these little owl stickers. And then her next one is called Snow in LA. This is a white snowy mixture. It's very pretty. And her nail art is this white mylar. Iridescent mylar. It looks like that came open, so I'm going to have to fix that. And then her last one is called A Dash of Sun. And this is a yellow mixture. Very pretty. And her nail art with that are these little stickers. Thank you, Randy and Gloria Rodriguez, for sending your swap in. The next one I have is from Zoe Nails. It says, "Hi Melissa, my mix is about the bluebonnet wildflowers we have in Texas. Love them. Hope you like my mix." Zoe Nails by Luzes or something like that. But anyways, this is her mixture and they're all alike. And it's a purple and silver. And it's called Bluebonnet. And then she sent these little sequences, purple sequences. And that was her swap mixture. And then she sent me some extras. She sent me some mylar, some of these little, I don't know what these are called, I can't remember. And then these red stars. Thank you, Zoe, for sending the swap in. And I love your mixtures. I love all of your mixtures. And then the last one I got today was from Keisha. It says, "Melissa, thanks for hosting and thanks for letting me join. I hope you like my mixes. I've included one for you as well. XOXO, Keisha." And hers is called Spring Flowers, and they're all alike. And I went ahead and took mine off, and I'm just going to show you. This is a silver iridescent glitter, and it's got a tinsel and dots in it. It's very pretty. And then for the nail art, she sent these flowered Vimos. Now I have 3 other people that I've talked to that are sending in their swap. So I'm going to wait a couple more days to see if I get them in. And then I'll start mailing y'all's out. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.